going on? It's your boy Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're gonna talk about what if the AirPods 3 looks like this. Oh my god. As soon as I seen this leak, this render actually, that the AirPods, we wish it could look like that, but you know Apple is gonna do it like 2-3 years from now. But if Apple pull out something like this for the AirPods 3, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave the link below. The person that I got from Instagram, I think is nine tech 11, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna leave his link below. Most of the pictures that I get is from that channel. I mean that page. So but let's keep going, man. It looks beautiful. Wow. And it show, if I'm not mistaken, you could see like the volume, obviously, the volume, the time, the date, how much percentage the iPhone has. Um the AirPods have. I don't know what kind of emblem is this. I don't know if that's it looked like Siri. I guess Siri, I don't know. And I guess this is the phone itself or the case. This is the case. So it looks beautiful, man. Oh my god. Let me look. I got a different color that you can see it. And that's the render also predicting, quote unquote. We don't know what kind of phone Apple's, but that's another video. But the AirPods 3. If the AirPods 3 come out, pricing I'm gonna say is gonna be like $200. I put it like that, $200. And let's say that they boost up the battery. Let's say they're gonna have to boost it up, the battery, probably like 10 or 20%. The AirPods itself could be boosted up a little bit more by, I guess, another 10 or 20, even 25%. I'm definitely getting it. It looks crazy, man. It looks beautiful. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think about the AirPods 3, if you're gonna get it, if it looks like that. I'm definitely gonna get it. I don't even like the AirPods, but oh man, that's some beautiful render, whoever did it, man. Oh my god. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.